Medical Breakthroughs Germ Theory by Alika Z. Klepres. Table of Content Chapter 1 What Makes Us Sick 4. Chapter 2 Studying Germs Page number 6. Chapter 3 How Germs Spread Page number 10. Activities and Tools. Try this. 22. Glossary 23. Index 24. To learn more 24. Chapter 1 What Makes Us Sick? Have you ever had a cold? Maybe you have had a stomach ache bug. What caused this illness? For most of history, people did not know. There were many theories like what? Some thought evil spirits caused diseases. Others thought bad smells did. We now know that germs cause sickness. Chapter 2 Studying Germs. Scientists were not sure that germs caused illness until the mid 1880s. Microscopes helped them show that microorganisms existed. This gave scientists an idea. What if the tiny organism caused diseases? We call this idea a germ theory microscope. Proving germ theory was not easy. It took the work of many scientists. Louis Pasteur was one. He found the bacteria caused diseases. He called bacteria germs. Louis Pasteur. Robert Koch took this idea further. How he improved a certain bacteria could directly cause a disease. He identified the one that caused tuberculosis. Pasteur and Koch and get much of the credit from germ theory, but many others helped too. Did you know the idea that microorganisms cause diseases has been around for a long time? Scientist Marcus Varro lived in ancient Rome. He had this idea for more than 2000 years ago. Robert Koch. Chapter 3 How Germs Spread. Germs theory says that germs cause illness. Germs come from sick people. They spread to others. But how? A doctor named John Snow discovered one way. John Snow. In 1854, cholera spread through London, England. Snow studied it. What did he learn? Many sick people had drunk water from the same pump. Cholera has spread through a polluted water. To get sick, germs must enter your body. How? They can come in through your nose, eyes, or mouth. They can enter through your cuts in your skin. They can also spread in air. Take a look how germs spread in air. One person A is sick. This person sneezes, cough. Germs enter the air. Person B breathes the air. Germs person B body. The germs multiply. Person B and get sick. Germs can live on surface for days. A person who is sick might touch the door knob. You will touch the knob after that person. If you then rub your eyes, then germs can enter your body. You might get sick. Did you know germs are all around us? A single germ can multiply into more than 8 million germs in just one day. Wow! You can help keep germs to yourself. How? Washing your hands. In the best way, our hands spread almost 80% of germs that cause sickness. Hand sanitizer is another option when soap and water are not available. Do you know it is important to dry your hands well? Why? Damp hands spread 1,000 times more germs. How else can you stop the spread of sickness like the common cold And COVID-19, cough or sneeze into your elbow, use PPE. Wear gloves, keep our distance, much distance. Doctors say least 6 feet, 1.8 meters. Many doctors suggest wearing a face mask or a shield if everyone wears one. The spread of sickness slows. Germ theory helped us to understand the cause of diseases. It also helps us to understand how germs spread. It was a medical breakthrough. Germ theory made it easier to stay healthy. You have a posture coach and many other scientists to thank. Activities and tools. Try this glitter and gems. Find out how effective soap is getting rid of gems this activity. The pepper or a glitter used to represent gems. What you need: water, a baking dish, a teaspoon of black pepper of or a glitter, hand soap and dishwashing liquid. Pour into the baking dish until it is about half full. Sprinkle a teaspoon of pepper or glitter into the surface of the water. Dip your unwashed finger into center of the water. What happens to pepper or glitter? Dry your finger completely, then coat your finger in a layer of soap or dishwashing liquid. Dip your soapy finger into the water. What happens to the pepper glitter this time? Glossary: bacteria, single-celled microorganism. They exist everywhere and that can either be useful or harmful. Breakthrough: an important discovery or advance in knowledge. Chlorea, a disease caused by bacteria that cause severe diarrhea and vomiting. Diseases, a sickness especially with a specific symptom or which affects specific part of body. Germs, microscopic living things, especially those which cause diseases. Germ theory, the belief that infection diseases result from the action of living things. Hand sanitizer, a liquid or gel applied to your hands to reduce the spread of the diseases. Counting organisms identified and found out something was microorganisms, life forms such as virus, bacteria, or fungi that are all small. They must be seen with microscope. Polluted contained, especially with non-made waste. PPE, personal protective equipment such as gloves, masks, and face shields. Theory, belief, or principle proposed to explain events of natural world. Tuberculosis, a disease caused by bacteria that occurs mostly in person's lung. Index: air 12.3, Asian rope 8, bacteria 7.8, chloria 11, cold 4.19, coughs 13.19, COVID 19.19, cuts 12, diseases 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, eyes 12.15, face mask 19, gloves.